Devil's Food Cake has so many important ingredients and steps that need to be done in order for the cake to be delicious, just like how America had so many important things happen to make America what it is today. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating your oven is a very essential step, just like how the Age of Exploration was essential for America to be formed. The Age of Exploration was a time period of seafaring and exploring regions across the globe. It's also when Christopher Columbus accidentally discovered America while searching for a direct water route from Europe to Asia. Tools were also created to better help the explorers who were traveling and exploring. The next step is to grab a large bowl, 2 cake pans, 2 measuring cups, a hand mixer, a spatula, some non-stick cooking spray, 3 eggs, and some toothpicks. These things are tools that will help us make baking a cake easy. I'm glad we have good tools to help us in these days, but a must-have stinked during the Age of Exploration. But that is why a demand for better navigational tools was set to help people explore better. The next step is to pour the cake mix into a bowl and pour your 1 1/4 cup of water as well. The water is needed to make the cake batter more liquidy than a thick paste. Just like how innovation and discovery was very much needed as well. Innovation is an idea that has been transformed into practical reality, and discovery is an act of finding out or learning of for the first time. The next step is to pour in 1/2 cup of oil to the cake mix and water bowl. The oil is very important, just like how discovering some past held beliefs was important as well. New findings often came in conflict with the church. Galileo thought the Copernican theory was correct, that the earth and the planets did indeed revolve around the sun. Next, add 3 eggs to the cake mix, water, and oil bowl. The eggs provide the cake structure while keeping the texture chewy, so the eggs are essential. The development of America also included the revolutionary model of the universe. From that, Galileo's teachings spread throughout his books and all over the world. Now we mix the bowl and combine the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs. We're almost finished, but now I'm going to explain the scientific revolution/scientific method. The scientific revolution/scientific method are all disciplinaries of science had great advances thanks to the scientific method and reason. Astronomy, mathematics, chemistry, and medicine. Medicine equals to the first vaccine. Chemistry/monarchy equals foundation for the combustible engine and the first mercury thermometer. Next, we grease the cake pans and pour the cake batter into the pans. It is very important that you pour the cake batter evenly into both pans. Just like the change of mindset the scholars and philosophers had was important for the development of America. The last and final step is to put the pans in the oven and bake them for 30 minutes. The last and final thing that made America what it is today is the legacy of enlightenment. The legacy of enlightenment has 3 things: belief in progress, belief in not being forced to explain everything by superstition or religion, and beliefs that individuals should do things to help themselves.